This evening I'm in Las Palmeras de Benavista at a lovely 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment on the ground floor, so it has its own private garden. See their living room, nice and bright and sunny inside. There's air conditioning. And a glazed terrace. You can have the doors much wider open than I've got them. And then outside into this really pretty west-facing garden. It has afternoon and evening sun. And out of the side gate of the garden, you've got your own private access to one of the community swimming pools here. This garden is walled, it's completely private use, but it is maintained by the community, so if you're looking for property as a holiday home or a rental investment, then you don't need to worry about keeping the garden well maintained all the time. The community do that for you. So back in through the covered terrace. Got a kitchen just off the living room. And through here, find the first of the 2 bedrooms. You can even see that it's overlooking the swimming pool that we just visited. Mosquito nets on the windows. And an ensuite shower room. Back out into the hallway, we've got access to the larger bathroom, the family bathroom, which has got a full bath with an overhead shower and also a utility area. And through to the main bedroom. Plenty of wardrobe space. Again, air conditioning. Mosquito nets on the windows. And this window overlooking the pretty garden that we saw before.